student, I am Sunil from Gokul Education Society's HAL English Medium School, Ozar Township. Now friends, I am going to post videos of Maharashtra State Government English Medium School History subject. Now let's start and learn the second chapter of History, Europe and India in the first part.
Hello, welcome students. Now in the second chapter, Europe and India. Now during the modern period, the various happenings in Europe had its impact on India especially. Therefore, while studying the period of modern Indian history, we have to study the events happening in Europe during this period. Okay, the first point is there now, the period of Renaissance. First, we know that what do you mean by the Renaissance? Renaissance means the rebirth of revival. Whatever the things are vanished, destroyed, completely destroyed, we have to revive it. Means the rebirth of revival means the Renaissance is there. In the history of Europe, the last phase of medieval period, there are three types. The three periods are there. First of all, the ancient period, medieval period, and modern period is there. So this history, the history of Europe, is in the last phase of medieval period, that is 13th to 16th century, known as the period of Renaissance. During this period, Reformation, religious reform movement, and geographical discoveries laid foundation of modern area. These three massive pillars, which are they? That is the Reformation, religious reform movement, and the geographical discoveries. These three massive pillars are found for the modern period. Hence, that period is also known as the age of Renaissance. During this period, in the field of art, architecture, philosophy, etc., there was a revival of Greek and Roman tradition which gave momentum to an overall development. During this period, Renaissance, the humanitarianism was given great impetus. What do you mean by humanitarianism? Humanitarianism means the people treating each other as a human being. It means the humanism. In that period, instead of religion, the man become center point of all ideologies. Ideologies, what do you mean by ideologies? Ideologies means a system of idea and ideals. In that period, the art and literature of this period are the depict sentiments and emotions of human beings. Especially during the 1450 AD, the Johannes Gutenberg from Germany, who has discovered the printing press, and due to this discovery, the new ideas, concepts, knowledge reach to all section of society. It means to all the common man. The second topic is there. Second topic, that is the religious reform movement. What happened in that period? What happened at that time? It means the independent, especially the independent intellectuals. Intellectuals means the scholar people in the societies are there. They attack the old religious ideologies of Roman Catholic Church. In the Catholic Church, there some priest means the pandit or the father, we can say, the church. The priests were taking advantages of the ignorance of the people. At that time, you know it very well, the superstitions were there, the blind faith were there, and that the advantages of these people, the priests were taken and they were looted the people in the name of religion. The movement that began against it is known as the religious reform movement. And due to this moment, human freedom and rationalism gain more important, means the religion reform movement was done, and because of this the freedom and rationalism was more gained, they gained the more important. Now here the personality is there, the picture you can see there. Okay, the picture is the Leonardo da Vinci. The Leonardo da Vinci, the great all-round personality, is there, you know it very well. In the period of Renaissance, he was well versed in different branches of science and art. He had a mastery over varied subjects such as the sculpture, architecture, mathematics, engineering, music, astronomy, etc. etc. Means all-round personality is there. The Leonardo da Vinci, everyone knows, you know it very well. But he became a world renowned as a painter. He was renowned, especially the as a painter. Okay, and his paintings, you know it very well. The famous paintings are there, that is the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper, become immortal. Now the second topic is there, the geographical discoveries. The geographical discoveries in 1453 AD. The Ottoman Turks conquered the Constantinople, that is the Istanbul, which was the capital of Byzantine Empire. The overland trade routes joining Asia and Europe went through this city. It means the land route is joined through these cities there, Byzantine is there. Okay. Since the Turk blocked this route, Europe couldn't go this route is there. Why? Because the Turks blocked this route. There was a need of finding alternative trade route to the Europe countries to reach Asia. And it is a very important thing for them because they wanted to come to the Asian country, especially the India is there. Okay, just they have to invented or the discoveries of the new route is there to reach Asia, especially India, and this led to new phase of geographical discoveries. Okay, now we can see in the second page is there, the geographical discoveries are there. You can see this picture is there. Okay, during 15th century, European sailor went expedition to discover sea route to India. First of all is the in 1487 AD, Bartolomeu Dias, a Portuguese sailor, began his expedition to search of India, but reached to the tip of America continent, which we know as the Cape of Good Hope. The second one is the in 1492 AD, the Christopher Columbus set on his journey to India by sailing towards west, but reached on the eastern coast of the continent of America again. And in 1498 AD, Portuguese sailor, the very famous personality you know it very well, Vasco da Gama, managed to sail past the Cape of Good Hope and reach the Indian coast of Calicut. It means in that topic you must memorize three personalities, that is Bartolomeu Dias, his year is the 1487 AD is there. Second personality is the Christopher Columbus, year is 1492, and another the Portuguese sailor is the very famous Vasco da Gama, year 1498. Thank you.